You do one thing, you give this set to Padima madam and tell her, ensure that this reaches Giridhar. Either I'll send a driver to her because my driver picked up earlier last year some book. So, or she may send it by post. One of these she will. No, again, IIT block and all, by the time he comes, he may not be there. Padima madam means she'll tell in the reception, no? So the thing is, it won't be a headache for you, but only thing is tell her the number of books also. Again, she's an absent-minded person. She may lose on this. Okay. And tell me. Hmm. And regarding the exams, actually, I think already the schedule should be. I'll send it to you, wait, and you just post it, okay? Now on, I'll send it, just get it typed, that's all. That's it. Okay, and one more. Regarding that outgoing aims, what did you do? You take in a contrast color. Okay, correct. Right. Go ahead. Good luck. Bye. Good morning, all. Am I audible, man?
Morning, sir. Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Right. Let us continue our discussion. See, yesterday I posted some questions. Did anybody do that? Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, this year, remember, you're an outgoing batch. I'm giving just daily whatever being taught. On that, I'll give some few questions. Okay, after that, I'll give the other assignments, Helen, resonance, and all. First, you complete day-to-day problems without postponing them. Again, you will only feel the difficulty later. I'm telling. This physics subject is like slow poison. Once you mix it, you'll see the effects of that. So ensure that you complete the work allotted. Don't postpone. Okay. Right. Come back to this. Suppose you are having two identical pitch balls. Each of mass Suppose they are suspended. Okay, they move apart like charges, no? Note down this.
1 minute, sir, noting. Done, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is one situation. Let us analyze. As per the question, this is the situation of the thick walls, and this is theta, this is theta. Okay. So now suppose this is L, this is L, this is X, this is also X. So this part will be, how much it will be? Root over L square minus X square. Any doubt is there till here? This part I am saying root over L square minus X square. This is X, this is L, this is theta. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now let us show the forces acting on this. This is the tension. This is Mg. Because there is a repulsive force, electric repulsive force. The same thing, this is the T1, this is T2, this is Mg, this is electric force is the same on both. Okay.
The same one.
So right now you can see that if this is theta, you can see that this is also theta. So what will be this?
T1 cos theta, T1 sin.
Followed this. So I can say that for equilibrium of this, T1 cos theta equals mg and T2 sin theta equals Fe. So this is, do you agree with this or not?
Agree.
Similarly, even for this also you get the same thing. Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Shall I proceed? No, no.
1 minute, sir.
So if I divide like this, even for the same thing you get this. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
Now from the diagram, what is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. This is Fe by mg. Okay.
Tan is equal to
For small angle theta, what is tan theta?
theta.
Approximately equal to sin theta.
Tan
That is equal to theta. Therefore, what is sin theta? You have x by L
and
equals Fe by mg. Right? So this can be written as x by L. What is Fe? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught.
right?
So x is equal to got till here. So various cases related to this situation. Suppose we need tension. You got theta you can find out now. Now to find tension, you have to square and add. So this is T1 square is so T1 is nothing but equal to T1, you know. Is it clear?
Sir, their depression is 2x, no, sir?
Hold on.
Yeah, upside 2x whole. Yes, sir, 2x, 4x square will be.
This will be correct. 16 will get 4.
Okay.
So how did that x by L come over there? X by L is equal to FE by NB.
What is the sin theta?
Okay,
Tan
okay,
theta
sir.
is nothing sin theta, no? Tan
Yes,
theta
sir.
is this, sin theta. What is sin theta? See?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Sorry, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell
how
me.
this x equal to this power 1 by 3, sir? That I didn't understand.
This is x cube. This you bring here, man, x cube. You know
Okay, sir.
maths, no?
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Correct,
Send
sir.
this
Correct, sir.
side, x cube is this.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. I forgot, sir. Forgot about that.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Do it fast.
Done, sir.
You just know you got what is tan theta c.
F by MB.
Actually, if M1 balls are having then suppose
Charge is different.
do you agree with this?
Yes.
Yeah, this is lesser, this is greater now.
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Next. Suppose they're suspended like this. Okay. Then let us analyze the situation. What are the forces you'll have?
Tension mg.
Buoyancy.
Suppose the tension will be same. Now you have Fe dash. Because there's a dielectric, there's a buoyancy force. So this is theta. The same thing will apply even for this also. The electrostatic force is this. Okay. So what else you have here? This is a buoyancy force. Okay, buoyancy force will be same. Now you can see that this is theta. So you have T cos theta plus B equals mg, or T cos theta equals mg minus. Similarly, this is T cos theta, this is T sin theta. So here you have T sin theta. So T sin theta
mg minus.
agreed.
Tan theta is equal to F by
You got what is the tan theta? You got Fe by
mg.
G.
mg.
forward till here. No.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
1 minute.
Right. Fast.
Sir, we can
Come on.
equate them both.
Equate. Equate and find out the value of K. I'll continue here. Hope you know that Fe dash is nothing but Fe by K now. Yesterday we learned this.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Buoyancy force is volume of the body, density of the liquid into G. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Substitute all this value here and get K. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you move the paper a bit upwards?
They did not complete this upper one.
Just note I have to copy, sir.
Why?
I didn't see that, sir.
No, fast. Be active, man. Early morning. Lot of second year syllabus plus revision of first year. Completed.
Yes, sir.
How much you got this K?
1 minute, sir.
Which FE dash you substitute this one. FE will get cancelled. In place of B, MG will get cancelled. See how much you're getting.
A equal to 1 by 1 minus dl by dt.
You got this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Return this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Got this? How to find electric constant.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in last question we created both tan betas now, sir. Sir, how
Hmm.
we know? Sir, these processes are different now, sir. In
What?
vacuum and uh, in
No, no. That is possible only if angle theta remains same. Otherwise,
yes, sir.
you have to take the angles and consider. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
He'll give that if the angles remain same, find the dielectric constant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if the setup in the above situation is kept in an artificial satellite. Okay. Then what will be the situation in artificial satellite? What is that it has?
Zero gravity.
So what happens here? Mg is balancing tension. Now there is no question of balancing. The balls will go like this. Now you can see on each one there is a tension and there is an electrical force. Similarly, on this also there will be a tension, there will be an electrical force. Agreed or not?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equality.
So what is the angle between them? 180 degrees, no?
80 degrees.
Clear. And what is the tension in the string? So this is L, this is L. No?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir, on the right hand side, the tension should be on the place of Ft, right?
Huh? Why?
So
If the
because
tension is this way, the string becomes loose, man. Tension always tries to keep the string taut. Imagine the string is with the bob is bought like this. It will become loose, no? There won't be tension, no?
yes, sir, yes, sir, agree.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you get any problem? You got any question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, here the angles are not same. Observing this,
Yes, sir.
here the angles are not same. Shall I do it? See, from the given data, can you get the separation between them?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
How much you got?
Yes.
Sir, sir, only angle is given, sir. Total
45.
angle is
Hmm? You can get this x now. Sin 45. Okay. So what is 2x then? Agreed.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we got already we proved that we proved this. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I right or not?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One second, one second. Shall I turn till here you followed now?
Follow through, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x you got. Now you got tan theta. Am I right? You got this one, you know.
FT dash by mg minus b. Mg minus b, sir.
MG.
That
This
is,
is what you got, I think, now.
yes, sir.
So this is initially how much you get? Tan 45. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by root 2 L. Am I right or not? K is there, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Next it is tan 60 K dash by q square. You'll get Cx is this one. Second liquid is ball is same. Do you agree with this or not?
Agreed, sir.
Agreed, sir.
So here he has given dl as how much? 2. In another liquid is 8, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Just divide the other one by the other, all cancellations will take place.
Sir, in another liquid, dl is 4.
4, okay. And what is dv? 8, I think, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divide one by the other, cancellations will take place. You will get k dash.
Sir, both having, sir, both are, in both case, it is immersed in dielectric, no, sir. Means,
Pardon?
sir, first case, it is immersed in liquid medium, sir. We
Hmm.
will have dielectric constant multiplied, no, sir, in
K
tan
here.
40.
Here.
Yes, sir, sir. Yes, sir.
Here k
Understood, sir.
dash.
Understood, sir.
Got.
Sir, doing, sir.
You have seen now second year, unless we finish lot of theory, you cannot go to problems. Like first year. Unlike first year. In first year, little bit of theory 1 or 2, we'll go to numerical. Here it's not possible. How much you got? Any answer?
100.
How much you got?
K dash equal to K by root 3.
K by root. Finished?
They're copying the new questions and all.
I posted the other question. See, any questions, any assignments are posted in the group, respond, man. I don't know whether you have seen nothing. Huh?
Sorry, sir.
No, nothing is means is that like a servant maid, she will come, does her work and goes away. Nobody bothers about her. Like that it will be. Received itself, shall try to complete something. Otherwise, it's like ignoring, no?
Sorry, sir. Do not think about it like that. Done, sir.
Right. See here, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. He says that there are two charges fixed. Minus q is here. This is fixed at 0, comma minus a. This is fixed at 0, comma a. Another charge is released from 2a, comma 0. Okay. Now let us see when it is released. Definitely there will be a force, no? This is the force between this. There is a force like this. Do you agree with this? Now, under an action of this force, what will happen? This will come nearer.
Into the
Suppose this is here. At any instant, this is say x. Okay, followed.
following.
At some instant. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that case, you have the forces like this, no? So can you tell what is the net force on this? You have to find. This is suppose theta. This is theta. I'll visualize the situation of Q. This is F. This is F. F is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q. What is this distance? Root over a square plus x square whole square. So you can see that this is f cos theta. Likewise, this is f cos theta. Now these will get cancelled now. So what is the net force?
Cos theta.
2f cos theta.
What is cos theta?
X by q.
So this whole thing comes to agree?
Yes, sir.
Agreed,
Agreed.
sir.
See at
Sir,
x equals to 0, force is 0 now. Also when x is infinity, then you can see net force. Agreed?
agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
So shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. Sir, here do we take negative charges positive only, sir, when we are writing the formula?
See, yesterday you are asking for the class, I think. No? I clearly told how to find the direction and magnitude. Okay? You will
Yes, sir.
use directly this, don't take sign. Magnitude, this is magnitude. How do you find the sign? Force on this due to this.
Yes,
Means
sir.
you'll assume that this is fixed now. Force
Yes.
on this now due to this. So this is fixed. Force will, this will be attracted or not towards that.
Yes, sir.
Force on this due to this means fix this. Now this tries to move this side now. You're absent
Yes.
yesterday.
No, sir, I was present, sir. I just forgot, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hmm. See here, Coulomb's law, two things. One is the vector form. In that you will substitute Q1, Q2 with sign. Otherwise, you will use this magnitude and find the direction separately.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Remember, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the reason why I asked you to do the work when day to day you complete. Otherwise, you'll see the pain of this physics when you go to, when the December comes, you'll be knowing what difficulties you'll feel. All your efforts of entire studies of other subjects will be futile. Once you don't know physics, there's no question of rank only, no? The maths and chemistry plus or minus everybody perform equally only. This is the deciding subject I was telling you many times. At least this year, don't ignore. Last year, out of innocence, you come from 10th class. That much maturity you won't have. So, and another problem is you thought that pandemic will go away, college will reopen. Till next year, situation will be like this only.
Yes, sir.
Till everybody are vaccinated, and if the mutant will be definitely it will be deactivated by the vaccination, the new mutants situation. Till then, it will exist only. So you don't dream something miracles will happen, and no entrance exam can be cancelled. Entrance because IIT medical seats will be given only to entrance. No, it's not 10th class. No? Intermediate 10th class means I told it's unrecognized examination. So whatever chief minister feels, he will do for them. Till here, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, completely.
This year you worked out. Last year, literally, you did not do well. Okay, what is the net force on Q? You got this. Now you observe this carefully. When Q is here, this is a minus Q, and this is a minus Q. So there is a force like this. So net force is 0 now. Now, so here it has velocity 0 no. The velocity not equal to 0, but acceleration is 0.
Acceleration is 0. Yes.
So it goes till here. Here velocity becomes 0, but acceleration still exists no,
Yes,
because
like I
there is a
said.
force here no. So here acceleration is not 0. Again due to that it will go here. Again you can see here velocity is not 0, but acceleration is 0. Okay.
SHM, sir.
Again what happens? The charge comes over here. Again you can see due to presence of these charges, there is a force like this. Thereby again here velocity is 0, but acceleration is not 0. Thereby again it comes back. Followed. So you can see that Q oscillates about which position? Are the oscillations simple harmonic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
F is not proportional to agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Therefore, the oscillations are not simple harmonic. Be careful with this. You can see there is x here and x square here. This question he will just give four options. It oscillates simple harmonically, it oscillates not simple harmonically. It oscillates about mean position. Like that he'll frame. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Because yesterday only we started the class. I'm requesting, warning, advising, complete the allotted work on daily basis. Don't postpone. Unless you complete that, don't go for sleep. Just like how seriously you have taken fasting during Ramadan. Same way, this is also without work, I won't sleep. Like that, you take a decision, definitely you'll get a seat. Completed?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose they ask the graph between acceleration and position. See, when this is this side, acceleration is towards left. Remember, acceleration is negative, no? Here.
Yes, sir. Towards left.
Here acceleration is do you agree with this? So now you can see that one more thing you have. Acceleration is 0 when x is 0 and x is what? Infinity. Just now we got all this now.
Yes, sir, God.
So that means see the value is 0 at 2 points. One is at large distance, the other is at 0. So whenever a value becomes 0 at 2 times, there will be a maximum in between. No? So that means I can say that the value turns to be 0 here, attains a maximum value here, again decreases, again goes like this, again attains maximum and decreases. What is this called? It won't touch, remember. This tends to what? Infinity. What is that called? Asymptote. This is asymptote, no?
Yes, sir.
Remember what is asymptote?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A tangent which touches the curve at infinity. Is it clear? How does the graph appear?
So,
So here Acceleration is negative. Here acceleration is positive, no? Is it clear or not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the graphical part. And yesterday we were discussing about the medium. F is this is nothing but force remember then what is this actually free space yesterday we discussed it remember this hello
Yes, sir.
hello
So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
reply man
Sorry, sir. The mic had a problem.
followed this
Yes, sir. Follow.
Followed, sir.
shall I turn this
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
write fast and lot of syllabus
Done, sir.
completed write fast now let us come to another situation. Suppose we are having two charges like this. See, these are the charges, both are supposed positive and they are fixed. Now, exactly at the center. Suppose this is A. We are keeping another charge. Now you can see this is force on Q due to Q1. And what is this?
Force on Q due to Q2.
So point O is equilibrium position, no?
Yes, sir.
For Q. Now let us see from this situation. Suppose this capital Q is displaced by like this. Then there will be a force will be like this now. There is a repulsive force like this now. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
That means there is a force on Q. This is force on Q due to Q1. This is force on Q due to Q2. You can see that, of course, both are same only. Remember, because the distance is same, no? So this is root over a square plus y square. Okay. Now you can see this force is same, no? Now you can see that if you resolve that, this is one component. Similarly, you have another component. Now these components will be okay. So that means net force tends to do you agree? So what is the equilibrium of Q? What is it called? Stable or unstable?
Sir,
Hmm?
unstable. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, how we wrote this mode means force of Q with respect to Q1. How we wrote it equal, sir?
Huh?
Means
What is that?
force, sir, force on Q due to Q1 is equal to force on Q due to Q2.
Because distance is same now, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q by the same distance now.
Yes, sir. But charges may be different now, sir.
This is
Q1 and
Q1
Q2.
man. Array, what is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q by whole square. What
Yes,
is
sir.
this force? 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q Q1 by whole square. Write that?
Yes, sir. Q1. Okay. Yes, sir. I thought of Q1 and Q2, sir. Both are.
No,
I
no,
thought both are
no.
different.
There is nothing I lose, man. Waste of time. Already you know all this, no? Are they not same?
Yes, sir. They are same. Yes.
Then I think yesterday's questions nobody have done. That's why.
No, sir, because you have written Q1 and Q2 in the above diagram. That's why that doubt arises.
Here, here I wrote Q1, no?
Yes, sir, but over there on the right hand side as well, sir.
One and
The
modulus, sir.
modulus of Q, capital Q by Q1 is equals to, yes, sir, that one.
So remember last year we learned from the equilibrium position, if Q is displaced vertically, there is a force tending to bring the charge Q to its equilibrium, tending to take the charge Q away from the equilibrium position. Such an equilibrium is called unstable. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Sir, previous page once.
Huh?
One minute, sir.
Complete.
Last line, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
So what we found, Q moves away
When displaced from its equilibrium.
Remember this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Now let us see, this is Q1. Now this is the equilibrium position. Suppose it is displaced like this. Then what is this distance? This definitely this will be force on Q due to 2. And this is force on Q due to 1. Repulsive force, no? Which force will be greater?
Sir, force on Q due to 2. That will be more, sir.
Hmm. This is, so which force is greater?
Force on Q due to 2.
Therefore, if displacement is rightward, restoring force in which side?
So towards left,
So the equilibrium is what?
stable.
Understood why first year we need to have grip here?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Even in engineering also, it's all linked, man. Don't think such an easy thing. See, usually what happens is this line Q1, Q1, no, this is called longitudinal. Along. And this is what it is called as transverse. Understood this?
Yes.
Finished?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
We usually use transverse and longitudinal. No? So I can put like this equilibrium of Q is unstable for
Transverse.
transverse displacements and stable for
Longitudinal displacements.
understood this?
Understood, sir.
Now you try, suppose capital Q is negative. Capital Q has the same sign as Q1, no? Now suppose it has opposite sign.
It attracts.
No, my question is, check the equilibrium nature.
Transverse it will be stable and longitudinal also.
Hmm. Shall I turn this first?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir. The transverse will be stable and longitudinal.
You're just reversing, huh?
No, sorry, no, sir. Never mind. The transverse will be stable this time.
Hmm. So here is a force. This force can be having two components. This will get cancelled. Okay. So that means y is this side displacement, restoring force is this side. So equilibrium is what?
Stable.
For
Transverse.
Likewise, we have suppose the displacement is this side. As you know that this distance will be this is force on Q due to 2, force on Q due to 1. Which is more?
Q due
Sir,
to
force on Q due to 1. Due to 1.
The force on Q due to 1.
Lesser distance, no?
Sir, Q is negative, no, sir. So attractive forces will come, no? You wrote repulsive force.
One second. Correct, no? Attractive, no? Mm-hmm.
This side, yes, sir. That one and this is 2.
Then this is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
yeah, 2.
Is it correct?
No, sir, no, sir. F capital Q by 2 is greater than F capital Q by 1. Shorter distance.
No, it's correct, no?
Now it's correct. Sir.
Therefore, what is the equilibrium of Q?
Unstable.
For which displacement?
Longitudinal displacement.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. That last paragraph.
So like that, he'll ask you to check the equilibrium status. See, please work out the assigned questions, otherwise you will face lot of problems. Daily I'll give few problems. Apart from that, combined exercise I posted. As early as possible, complete them.
Yes, sir. Will do.
Because last year topics are still pending, remember.
Yes, sir.
Why I am taking extra classes in the beginning is again in the last we had to rush up unnecessarily.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Any doubt?
Sir, it's telling we will take class by 11 o'clock, sir.
I did not get you. Pardon?
Sir told that he will take class by 11 o'clock, sir. You said by 11:15, sir.
11:15 only. He's staying at 11 only.
Yes, sir.
11 only he's taking.
Okay. Right then, we'll meet tomorrow. Then I'll talk to him. Okay.
The evening no class.
Sir, evening classes.
Today, yes. See, 6 o'clock is not 5:30. Is it possible for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
To 6:30, sir. If 5:30 means 1 hour we will get.
No. 5:30 to 7:30. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Or
In
7
general, we will
or
have
7 to 8
prayers.
or 7 to 8:30. Which is possible? You tell.
7:30, sir.
8:30,
Hmm?
sir.
7 to 8:30, sir, because in the before one we have to have the namaz
Go
break.
for prayers also, sir.
Because 7 to 8:30 will. Right then. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.